What's up, guys? How's it going? And it's still kind of raining out there, kind of crazy. I'm doing laundry right now, and yeah, so this is gonna be the vlog. This time, wearing the hat the correct way. I noticed in the last video I was wearing it sideways. This is the right way, because the tag is in the back. Got this daggone hurricane. Ooh, my hat. Can't lose the freshness of the hat. Not yet. Not on day one like this. It got nippy. Oh man, it's starting to rain even more. When will it stop? At least let it stop for 2 hours and then start up. Every time I walk out trying to get to the laundry mat, it starts to rain. And then when I go back inside, it stops. Crazy. Yeah, little floods over here. Got them floods. I wonder where that duck went. Somewhere around here. Yep, daggone hurricane. Yeah, there's some socks in here. Someone left some socks. Alright, anything else? Nope. Normal. So yeah, doing some laundry. Throwing some clothes in the dryer. Gotta get some fresh clothes for the week. Good thing I'm off for the next 3 days. I was supposed to work today, but the hurricane coming over here in Florida kind of messed up my work schedule. Now it says, hopefully I'm going to get paid for today. That's what they said. No work today. I got the email already for that, so we'll see. If it's not, then I'm going to be really mad. So yeah. I better not get writing up for this hurricane, because I'm going to be really mad. So, I'm going to start this laundry real quick. Yeah, it's pretty windy out here. Pretty windy. That's a lot of rain. That didn't even fill up the manhole that was over there. It's like all the way up to here. Alright, Hershey Bershey. Are you ready to go potty? King? No, let me get Hershey Bershey. Alright, so we just got back. What the hell was that? Getting some food to cook. Gonna cook some food. Got some food that I'm about to cook. Yep. Gonna go back, cook some food. Do a video on that. I gotta get my laundry out of the laundromat still. Alright guys, it's the next day after the hurricane. And still pretty cloudy, but it's clearing up. My car over there. Bree's car right there. My car over there. King, I don't know what you're doing. Gotta get some more coffee. Oh yeah. Some coffee. Some coffee. Some type of coffee. And I'm coming. Wow. Alright guys, we're getting ready to go fishing here pretty soon. We're gonna go and go fishing. So 2 videos in one. Basically, 3 videos in one now. The beginning of after the hurricane, the same day with the day after, and now we're going fishing. Brought to you by Random Videos of the Blog.